in. Welcome to our house. Woohoo! Say hi, Winston. All right, so this is our kitchen. Beautiful, nice countertops and appliances. This is our little random nook. We don't exactly know what we're gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out. We got a pantry. Lots of food stocked up in there. That'll be getting organized soon. And the best part of this whole kitchen is right here. It's an ice maker and water. That is awesome. All right, that's our kitchen. Let's go this way. Over here we have a little, what's this? A mini closet for, I guess. Huh?
So what's this?
We'll put like, you know, jackets or something in there now that we're gonna need those since we actually live somewhere that it snows. We're gonna need jackets. So I guess we'll put that there. This is our just amazing washer and dryer laundry room, which I'm gonna make super cute. And this is our, ooh, yeah! This is gonna be our office and game room for the hubby. Hubby's game room, maybe, we'll see.
Oh yes, game room.
And this closet that he's already claimed to be his. But he organized it nicely, so that's okay. Small rooms, but you know, we don't need anything huge, so we're fine with it. Okay, this way. This is gonna be our guest bedroom for friends and family that come visit. And another closet. Very nice, very nice. Okay, this way is our guest bathroom. Got a tub. No, it's pretty cute. Nothing special, but does the job. Over here, this is just a linen closet for like towels and stuff. It's pretty messy right now, so we won't show that. And this is our master. We got a little bathroom. And this is our room. You know, we're still waiting for all of our stuff, so we're kind of roughing it right now. We got this high quality air mattress going on, but we've been surviving. And then we each have our own closet.
The essentials.
The essential. Yeah. And yeah, as I was saying, this is Jeffrey's closet and this is my closet. So we each have our own closet, which is super nice. And he took over the other closet already. That's fine. You're lucky, I love you. All right, come on this way. Winston's showing you the tour right now. Okay, this is gonna be our dining room right here. We'll put a table under this cute little chandelier. Cute little table. And then this is our living room, which we just have a random table and chairs. That's all we have right now. And Jeffrey's BB gun. Ooh, and a wood burning fireplace. Hey, that's cool. And for the best part of it all, Winston, is this your favorite part? Is the backyard. Come on, buddy. Woo! Where'd you go? That's the yard. Good boy. Got a giant yard that we're gonna have to mow, but
Oh yeah.
Giant. Oh, and a storage closet right here. Can put some nice stuff in there. It's really hot.
Very hot.
And come take a look at our shed. Come on, dude. Come on. This is super nice and convenient. Little shed that we'll be able to keep, you know, holiday decorations and stuff. Woo! It's
Hot.
hot in here, but it's nice.
It's like literally fogging up the camera. It's so hot.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I mean, this is our new pad in Virginia Beach. It's getting used to not being in San Diego anymore. How do you like our new house? Do you love it?
Love you.
Aww, love you too. Voila! That is our house tour. This is the new pad in Virginia Beach for the next year or so. We are super excited, and now all we are waiting for is the military to bring all of our stuff. They just left San Diego yesterday, so hopefully they'll be here in a week or two. Woohoo! And I can finally get our house together. We don't have to rough it anymore. So that'll be super exciting. Otherwise, yeah, stay tuned. I'll be posting videos of me decorating and organizing the house, and I'll do an updated house tour of what it looks like when all of our stuff is here. But that's about it, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!